That was lucky, guys. Holy shit, that was a crazy ass bail. Holy bud.
You alright, bud?
That one was crazy. Am I recording?
I saw that, bro. I didn't see it. I don't think there.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Are you okay,
Why
man?
did you do that?
I don't know, man.
Are you okay? Oh, right there, man.
Holy boys.
You okay?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, bud.
Holy shit, man.
That could have been crazy.
Crazy, dude.
Yeah.
I look back.
Man, I almost hit that pole.
I felt that.
Like, that's Gio, bro. We're he's done. And I was like, oh shit, it's Andrew. What the
Man, I just came down from that wheelie and it went too much to the right and I just went into the ditch.
man.
I rode it out because I wanted to ride it, right? Like just
I did the whole road.
Yeah, I saw that. That was crazy.
Look at this shit, man. Right through this. I was this close to hitting the post. Look at this shit.
Oh, you fly, bro. I looked back.
All the way through this, man. Holy f.
Hit the share button. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go.